In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade cryptocurrency with less than $1 and still aim for small profits on Binance or similar crypto apps. Whether you're brand new to crypto trading and don't want to risk much money, or you simply want to practice smart trading strategies with minimal capital, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to walk you through it quickly and efficiently. First, open your Binance app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're using another app like KuCoin, don't worry, the process is very similar. Once you're inside the app, go to the Wallets section and look for the option to deposit funds. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important settings. Next, deposit a very small amount, even less than $1, usually in USDT. Yes, that tiny amount is enough to get started. You'll see several deposit options that help you add funds easily, depending on what's available in your region. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Everything is designed to be beginner-friendly, so there's nothing too complicated to stress about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your account verification is complete, trading is enabled, and you understand basic spot trading. Also, avoid futures trading for now, because spot trading is much safer for beginners. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary losses. Once your funds are ready, go to the spot market and choose a low-priced, high-volume token like SHIB, Pepe, or similar coins. After that, place a limit buy order slightly below the current price. When your order fills, set a limit sell order just a little higher. This strategy helps you capture small price movements without rushing or guessing the market. It's also a good idea to stay patient and let the market move naturally. Taking this extra step helps you trade calmly and avoid emotional decisions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to trade crypto with less than $1 safely and efficiently while learning how the market works. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who are starting to trade without risk. Why not make someone's crypto journey easier?